once you include the Nephilim into the narrative, it suddenly all becomes very clear what was really going on. That whole narrative was so fascinating to me, and as an artist, I couldn't help but notice patterns in the way they were depicting these giants in these presentations. And I was like, that looks like Conan the Barbarian. Like it's a hench, tanned, brown-haired, bearded beast man with huge pecs and a massive club and a loincloth, like that, straight out of the cave. And it's kind of like, that's not what they would have looked like. That's not what the giants would have looked like. Not only do we understand that they were actually very advanced during that time with technology, like we're told, but also what we're told is that angels mixed with humans. Why would they look human? Have you seen any description of the angels in the Bible? They are wild-looking things, transcribed from the Hebrew. Then they're probably dragons. Dragons are probably angels, and I think they have many forms, but there's different classes, of course. But if it's not wheels within wheels, or it's probably dragons or insectoid-like things, or things with animal heads, 4 different heads facing all directions. So there's also, think of Ezekiel's vision, There's so many types of angel that just one of them mixing with the human wouldn't create something that looks human. And I knew this in my soul, like that's not right. They would have looked like something else.